Zhejiang Huanda Industry and Commerce Company Limited, located in Baoyi Industrial Zone, Obei Town, Yongjia County, Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. Founded in 1995, is a professional company in the office equipment field. We mainly produce pouch laminator, roll laminator, notebook binding machine, glue perfect binding machine, paper cutting machine, booklet making machine. Our company has 3 new buildings. The area of structure is about 15,000 square meters, has 135 workers. Our company has digital machining centers, digital controlled lathes, punch presses, steel plate shearers, hydraulic bending machines, point welding machines, have 1 laminator assembly line at present, and we are planning to install another new laminator assembly line to increase the productivity to meet the customer's demand. Our products have obtained very good reputation in the market. We do OEM for many known companies in China, like Deli, Sunwood, and Comex. Most of our products get the CE certificates. Our products are good with cheap price, exported to many nations and regions, such as USA, Eastern Asia, South Asia, and Europe. The customer satisfaction is our company's goal, and good quality of products is the life of our company. We really wish to establish good business cooperation relationships with all customers around the world.